Friends, this 2025, the United States has taken one of its biggest economic actions, a new wave of import tariffs on goods from Asia and other regions. And this decision has completely changed the business landscape. Products that came cheaply from abroad are now more expensive to import, and these increases in US tariffs have created new business opportunities, which means there are huge opportunities for American entrepreneurs, local manufacturers, and startups ready to fill those gaps. So if you're thinking of starting a business in the United States or are someone who wants to invest in America today we will show you the 10 best business ideas for the United States in the present and the coming year, which are now growing rapidly, and industries and startups that can improve domestic production that have a good chance of thriving in this new environment. Friends, before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1, battery manufacturing. Let's start with battery manufacturing production. As electric vehicles or EVs take the roads in the United States today in large numbers and renewable energy projects expand, the demand for advanced batteries is increasing in the United States. Previously, most batteries were imported from China and South Korea, but with the new tariffs, domestic production is much more profitable. So setting up a small-scale battery pack assembly or recycling plant is a good opportunity. If you enter this industry now, you will be part of one of the fastest growing industries of this decade. Second is semiconductor production. Semiconductor or chip manufacturing is expected to become the most important industry in the United States by 2025. This is because every electronic device, be it mobile phones, cars, or medical devices, relies on chips. Earlier, these chips were imported from Asia, but now due to government initiatives, new manufacturing plants are being built in the United States. So if you're looking for a startup or technology company in chip design, packaging, or research development services, this industry will continue to grow for the next 10 years. Number 3 is advanced materials and 3D printing. Now let's look at the advanced materials and 3D printing venture. Nowadays, as tariffs rise and supply chains become more expensive, many companies are increasingly relying on 3D printing and advanced materials. Therefore, there is currently a demand in the United States for companies that order composite materials, lightweight alloys, or 3D printed parts. In this situation, starting a business in 3D printing services, custom components, or composite material development is now a smart move, as it is one of the businesses of the future where creativity and innovation will not go to waste. Number 4 is supply chain and logistics tech. As tariffs rise, companies need to replan their supply chains and import strategies. This is why supply chain technology and logistics analytics are becoming increasingly important business sectors. So you can start a business in the US where new technology companies analyze trade data, identify local sourcing options, and develop software that reduces import costs. And if you have an understanding of technology or data analytics, this sector is now one of the fastest growing and sustainable business opportunities. Number 5 is reshored manufacturing services. Today, companies around the world are opening factories in the United States to avoid import duties, which is called redistribution. This has significantly increased the demand for factory construction, machine installation, employee training, and local supplier services in the United States. Therefore, if you start a business offering manufacturing setup services, maintenance, or automation solutions, you can get increasingly large contracts. Yes, if you specialize in the fields or provide training, a big business opportunity is waiting for you. Number 6 is pharmaceutical and health supplement production. The 6th high-potential industry is pharmaceutical and health supplement manufacturing. The healthcare sector in the United States has grown even stronger after the pandemic, as importing medicines and supplements has become very expensive these days. Local pharmaceutical manufacturing has become a promising option. Therefore, even on a small scale, you can tap into a huge market by starting a business that produces health supplements, vitamins, and natural products. In particular, currently, there is a strong demand for local made in the USA brands in the US, making it the right time to enter this sector. Number 7, auto components manufacturing. The American automobile industry is rapidly shifting towards electric and hybrid vehicles due to the automotive revolution. Also, as today's vehicles become more electric, there is a greater demand for new components such as sensors, battery packs, and cooling systems. Previously, these components were imported, but now companies are looking for local suppliers. Therefore, if you can manufacture parts using CNC machines, precision tools, or 3D printing, this offers you a very profitable and long-term growth opportunity. Number 8. AI-based manufacturing analytics. The US industry is now moving toward a smart factory model where they are now using AI to monitor performance, predict machine failures, reduce waste, and manage energy usage. As a result, AI and analytics-based industries are growing rapidly. So you can start a business that provides predictive analytics, industrial IoT solutions, or AI-driven process automation tools. Friends, as this AI-driven manufacturing is rapidly expanding, it is a great time for technology and AI-focused startups. Number 9. Specialty foods and beverage production. The demand for healthy and high-quality food in the United States has increased significantly in the past few years. Now that foreign brands are subject to tariffs, many international food brands are shifting production to the United States to avoid import duties. And local food and beverage production is growing rapidly. So on a small scale, you can start an organic snack, specialty coffee, or packaged food production unit. Also, people are increasingly choosing made in America products, which makes this sector one of the fastest growing. Number 10. Renewable energy equipment manufacturing. Finally, the renewable energy equipment manufacturing business. Vita America is now rapidly moving toward green energy with many countries in the world. Yes, the government has started major investments in solar, wind, and electric power infrastructure, and increasing tariffs on imported equipment have made manufacturing local equipment a very profitable business. So if you manufacture solar panels, wind turbine components, or electric car charger components, it will give you good benefits from both government incentives and the market. Friends, these are just a few of the best business ideas for America in the coming years. There are many more such business opportunities due to the new tariffs and the wave of local manufacturing, and we will know about them in the coming times. These 10 ideas will make America a market leader in the future, focusing on local manufacturing, technology, and sustainable development. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.